Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fine-tune Chatgpt with Google Colab. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to fine-tune our GPT right here, GPT and OpenAI has released the turbo fine-tuning and API update. So right here, developers can open now their own data to customize GPT 3.5 Turbo for their own use cases. So this was just released just this August 2023. So here it has a description that fine-tuning for GPT 3.5 Turbo is now available with fine-tuning for GPT-4 too. So coming this fall, this update gives developers the ability to customize models that perform better for their own use case and run these models at the scale. So early tests have been shown to fine-tune the version of GPT 3.5 that can match or even outperform your GPT-4. So if you're familiar with GPT, let's get right into it. So here I'll leave the description down below for the Google Colab for the running of it here in our Google Colab. So right here it shows that Matt Schumer, which is our author for this Google Colab, his goal is to experiment with a new way to make easy building task-specific model for your use case in GPT 3.5 or even GPT-4. So the first off, the use of the best GPU available. So you can just go to runtime and change runtime type. So to create your model, just go to the first code cell as shown here. So you will describe the model and what you want to build in the prompt and be descriptive and clear as usual. So select a temperature. So if you want to go with a high temperature, which is right here, as you can see, a high temperature will give you basically more creative thoughts, and then low is for precise. So if you're going to go with creative writing, I would suggest you go for 0.8. And if you want to go for low precise, 0.4. This is for coding, math, algebra, mathematics, and other things like that. So in the number of training examples to generate and the train model from there, and just run all the cells. So the first thing you're having to do is change the prompt right here to your own liking. So the given prompt right here is a model that takes in a puzzle like reasoning heavy question in English and respond with a well-reasoned step-by-step throughout response in Spanish. So we're going to change that right here. So we're just going to change that up and wait for a minute. So here we're going to change our prompt into wait a minute guys. So let's delete this all and let's place in a model that gives a specific answer and does not what do we say, something like gives a straightforward answer or something like that. Gives a specific answer and a straightforward answer. So let's just place that in right there. So as you have typed that, so as you can see here, that it's gonna give us a straightforward answer. So we want a temperature of 0.8, and you also want to change the number of examples right here. If you want to go with 20 or 100 or a 50, you can change it right there. So the first thing you're gonna do is run this anyway. So it's gonna run as usual. So run this data set to generate the data set. So as you can see, it's connecting right here, and all you have to do is wait for it to connect, and then we'll proceed to the next one. So as we're waiting for it to execute, and there you go, I assume it's already executed. So there, it's done. So the next thing you have to do is right here, run the next cell. As you run the next cell, it will just give a, there you go. So it has already collected the OpenAI API, and as you can see here, it's already successfully installed. So from there, you're gonna run this next cell. All you have to do next is go to your Open API key. So to do that, all you have to do is actually go right here to your platform, openai.com, and here you just go to your personal, and then all you have to do is go view API keys, and right here you will see your API keys. So if you don't have any API keys after this video, just create one, and then here just create a secret key, and there you go. All you have to do is copy this, and then you're done. Then you head back to your colab.com, and then you place your key right here. So place it right there, and just don't forget the parentheses, guys. And there you go, that's your key right there. So once you have entered your key, here's gonna be your content. As you can see right here, there's a role and the content. So you're generating data which will be used to train machine learning model, which is your API for the Chatgpt. So all you have to do is run this, and then from there, all you have to do is wait for it to run. So let's just wait for this to run. And so as you can see here, it has run through an error, but the error is caused by the key itself and the model right here. So remember, guys, that the model, you have to change it from Chatgpt 3.5 or 4, depending on your liking. But remember, guys, there's no such thing as OpenAI free keys, so you have to pay for the service for it to be working. So as you can see, I have not subscribed this to my own account, but the next thing you're gonna do is generate a message, system message. So all you have to do is run this again, then it's gonna run the system message right here. So like the other things that we have done, you're just gonna have to run the rest of these codes, and here it's gonna put out an example into a data frame and turn it into a final pair of data set. So once you have run that, it will upload the file to OpenAI right here. And as you can see, you can train the model. You may need to wait a few minutes, as you can see right here, before running to the next cell and allow the file process on the OpenAI servers. So it's gonna do a upload on OpenAI servers on your GPT 3.5 Turbo for training. And then after you have done that, you have to wait for the fine-tuning to run until it's done. So you can run this and you can check its update. So it's gonna take about 20 minutes or so. So once your model is trained, you can run to the next cell and grab the fine-tuned model's name. So after that, you can try it out here with your system message, its content, and the prompt itself, and it will run as usual. So basically, that is how you use this Google Colab and the fine-tuning of GPT 3.5 Turbo on your desktop or in your mobile browser if you want to. So guys, if you want to use this fine-tuning Chatgpt 3.5 or Chatgpt 4 version 4, you have to purchase the Chatgpt OpenAI keys too, or just subscribe to their plus right here, which is worth $20, and you'll have access to Chatgpt 4 and their most capable model. It has faster response speed and access to beta features like browsing plugins and advanced data analysis and your OpenAI keys too. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.